Welcome, I'm the Math Farmer. This video is proudly sponsored by USA Tutorial Center. In this video, we shall solve these indices questions before us. The first question said 2 raised to power x is equals to 64. Now, what you have here is 2 raised to the power of x is equals to, you now ask yourself, 2 raised to the power of what will still give us 64? 2 raised to the power of what will give us 64? That means 2 raised to the power of 6. Yes, 2 raised to the power of 6 is something as what? 64. In this case, based on law of indices, I said that the same base law, when the bases are the same, that means their index are what? Equal. Therefore, x is equals to 6. Yes. Coming to the second question here, we have 5 to the power of x plus 1 equals to 625. Then now, what you have here is 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 equals to, you ask yourself, 5 raised to the power of what will give us 625? Yes. 5 raised to the power of what will give us 625? Yes, 5 raised to the power of 4 will give us something as 625. At this place now, this case, since the bases are the same, we can equate their powers. So what we now have is x plus 1 is equals to 4. So x is now equals to, subtracting 1 from both sides. We want to eliminate this one, then, and this one here is positive. For us to eliminate it, we have to subtract 1 from both sides. We will now subtract 1 from both sides. Subtract 1 here, this one will now disappear, eliminated. Then subtract 1 here, we're going to have 4 minus 1, which our x now equals to 3. Yes. Then coming to this place, what we have here is 4 raised to the power of x plus 1 is equals to 8 raised to the power of x plus 2. So now, if you watch, we can still break this 4 down to 2 raised to the power of 2 is something as 4. And the power we have here, the index we have here is 2 times. So we have to put them in brackets. Yes, we'll have more than 2. We'll have more than 1 time, put them in bracket. Because this 2 here is multiplying everybody inside the bracket. So is equals to 2 raised to the power of 3 is something as what? 8. And we also have an index here, which are 2 times. So at this case, at this point now, the bases are what? The same. We discard them. Since the bases are the same, that means their index are equal. So the index here, 2 times x is something as 2x. 2 times 1 is the same thing as 2 equals to 3 times x is something as 3x. 3 times 2 is the same thing as 6. So now we collect like terms. 3 will come here. We have 2x minus 3x equals to 6 minus what? 2 go this side. We have minus 2. What? 2x minus 3x will give us minus x, which is equals to 6 minus 2 is 4. But x here is not yet alone. We now say divide both sides by minus 1 so that this minus negative number here will disappear. Just bring it to this side. Therefore, our x is going to be, x is equals to minus 4. Yes. Now, I'm going to the last one here. We have 4 to the power of x minus 16, all equals to what? 0. So what we're going to have is 4 raised to the power of x equals to, we have to move this 16 to this side, move it to this side, and then change to positive 16. So now, we can say 4 raised to the power of x. Now ask yourself, 4 raised to the power of 4 will give us 16. 4 raised to the power of 4 will give us 16. 4 raised to the power of 2. Yes. So now, the bases are the same now. Since the bases are the same, that means their power, you can equate their what? Power, which is x is equals to 2. That is your answer. Thank you for watching this video. You can do it to follow my page on Facebook, Math Farmer, TikTok, Math Farmer, Instagram Math Farmer. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Math Farmer. Don't forget that this video is proudly sponsored by USA Tutorial Center, Enugu. Bye bye.